Tekken 60, episode 84, adding an image inside a cell in Google Sheets. So you've always been able to add an image to Google Sheets, but it's always been very clunky and not easy to mess with. So the recent update to Google Sheets allows you to easily add images within cells with ease. It's awesome, actually. And so let's take a look at a spreadsheet I have here. Just your generic spreadsheet. If it pops up, there we go. And your cell, I haven't done anything with the cells. So let's go ahead and go to insert. And under image, you see I have a green dot, which means there's something new in its image in a cell. Even though I've used it a lot and I've had it for probably 3 or 4 months, but that's okay. So I click on that. And your generic box of insert image pops up. And again, you can upload, you can take snapshots, you can do a lot of stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload a picture that we used last week in our video and open it. And what's cool is you look at a cell is small and the image appears really small. But if I make it this bigger, so if I go this way with it, notice the image doesn't change because it'll really mess up and distort the image. But if I move this down, now the image gets out bigger and you actually see what the image is. So it fits the cell and makes the appropriate ratio. So it's pretty awesome. So again, just that simple. When you're done with it, hit delete. It goes away and you're done with it. So check out the insert feature and insert a picture inside cells and sheets. Enjoy.